In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the rich text element in Webflow, complete with everything you need to know to navigate the process smoothly. Let's dive into it. First things first, we'll begin by heading over to the Webflow website. Webflow is an amazing visual website builder that allows you to create a custom website without writing a single line of code. So, open up your browser and type in webflow.com to get started. Once you're on the Webflow homepage, you'll want to click on the Login option. It's typically found at the top right corner of the page. Now, go ahead and enter your login details. If you're new to Webflow, you'll need to sign up and create an account first. But once that's done, logging in will be a breeze. After logging in, you'll find yourself in the Webflow dashboard. The dashboard is your centralized hub for all your projects and creative work. It's here you'll manage everything. So get comfortable with this space. You're going to spend quite a bit of time here. Now, from your dashboard, the next step is to select a project you'd like to work on. If you're creating something new, you might want to start with a blank project. However, if you've got something already in progress, just find that project and click on it to enter the editor view. Each project is a canvas of possibilities, so choose wisely or experiment freely. The choice is yours. Within your chosen project, to add a rich text element, you'll want to locate the Add Elements panel. In the editor, this is usually on the left side of the screen. It's a panel filled with the building blocks of your design. Everything from basic elements like headings and text, to complex components like sliders or navigations. Scroll through the options until you spot the rich text element. Click on it, and then it's just a matter of dragging and dropping it onto your canvas where you'd like this content-rich section to appear. The rich text block is versatile, great for structured content such as blogs, articles, or any situation where you need more than simple plain text. That's essentially it. Easy, right? But remember, once you've added the rich text, you can further customize it to match your design's aesthetics. Play around with the styles to make sure it fits seamlessly into your website's theme. This adaptability is what truly makes the rich text element a powerful tool in your Webflow arsenal. And there you have it, the complete guide to inserting a rich text element into your Webflow project. Follow these steps, and you'll be incorporating complex text content into your designs in no time. Make sure to explore each feature as you go along and have fun bringing your creative ideas to life. Happy designing!